Hello, what's up? And welcome back to another Minecraft video. So I just loaded in a brand new world. Sun's going up. Or is it going down? It's going up. And we got a really nice thing. I have my, what should I call this? I don't know the name of it. So this is my skin. If you want to see it, it's nice. Very nice. So let's just see what's in this chest. Sorry guys. See what's in this chest. It's Acacia wood. Acacia wood? I like to call it Acacia. Take the chest. That's what I always do. Okay, so when I make my house, I don't think I want to get far from here. I can get that. Okay, so I got the torch, and now let's go to my spawn. Pretty nice spawn. And let's turn this Acacia wood to planks. And the door lamps. Okay, so what do I need to make? I need to make a stick. And let's use this crafting bunch to make a sign. Acacia sign is what I like. Okay, so now let's make it right here. These 2 torches I have. Look like there's 2, not 1. Make the sign. Welcome to Skybird. Skybird town. No, up. Skybird's town. Yeah. Look at the Skybird's town. Cool. Take this crafting bench, or I'm gonna have to make another one. Like I won't be making more. So shut things. Okay, now let's take some wood. Let's chop down a lot of this wood. If I get some more. If I get any more that I'll replant it. Just to be nice to nature. So I'm not really stealing it all, technically I am, but I feel better. I replant in nature. So this video is probably just gonna be getting started. Probably the first 10 minutes would be getting wood. So if you want, just go ahead and skip to the more exciting part, I guess. Building a house. Oh yay! Got some sapling. Get an apple! Woohoo! Woo woo woo! I love apples. Apples are awesome. But not always. Cake's better. Cake makes life so much better. Fortunately, we don't have any cake. We're stuck here. So I'm gonna replant this tree. INTYS. There. The stone axe is so fast. Oh, look, some sheepies. I will kill you, sheepy. You too, sheepy. You three are the lucky ones. You get to be killed for my bed.
Call from Schwartz Reffen.
Whatever. Sorry about
Call
that.
from Schwartz Reffen.
I'm trying to get that. Whatever, I don't know how to word that. So we got a bed, which is good. Let's get that one. Oh, only hats go with Miss. So just hop around here, take out this wood. So how much wood we have? We have 28 oak. I'm gonna get some birch. So I got some birch wood. Oh look, a pig! Yay, pigs! Let's do a cool thing. Yeah, I guess. And another, and another, and another. Just keep taking some more oak. Probably get like a stack. So I'm not like gonna make like a small house. I'm gonna start a big house. And it's gonna be cool. So that it won't take like just one video, maybe it'll take like 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, max 10. 44, it's good. But we need more. Greedy man for more wood. Just kidding. I need my wood though. When I start a world, I need my wood. We're not gonna care too much about like iron, coal stuff. Yet. Yet, I say. I'll take probably this one last tree, that's it. I'll take down this one last tree, probably. Oh, that's really good. Oh, I'll take down this one last. How can I leave without this last person's tree? Why am I using my wood instead of my stone? I was wondering why I was going so slow. Stone is better than wood, but not by very much. Not by like a ton. It's better by a lot. Some run biases. I'm dropping this, but I think that's it. What? This one just dropped something. Okay, looks like we're good. So, like 52 oak, 12 birch. Should be good. Should be good. And I think I will build my house around here. So remember, we want to build it close. For once, I only have 4 dirt. Usually I have like a stack of these. Never ran out of dirt before. Never have I ran out of dirt. So, right here should be a good place, right? Should be a good place. So let's start knocking down these trees. 2 trees. Start knocking down these trees. And this time we're not gonna replant nature. Sorry guys, but I cannot replant nature this time. I may not replant nature this time. Just keep hacking away these trees. Within 10 minutes. So you guys, I'm just finishing up these few trees because I'm scanning out the area for where to put down, where to make my house. So it's almost night. So let's go to sleep. Let's first make our bed. That's our crafting bench. And this wool. Let's see the wool goes there. Don't mess me up. And then like that. There's my bed. So now let's put it down. Go to sleep, go to sleep, go to sleep. I can't go to sleep. Oof. I'm going to sleep. I'm going to sleep. Oh, I'm getting hungry. Munch on this greedy apple. Munch, munch, munch. So I munched down those apples. I got my bed. Now, it's a few eggs for iron. Eggs for breakfast. No, I don't like eggs for breakfast. Trust me, if I could have cake, I would have cake. You must have cake. No, just kidding. Just keep eating your nice protein. Not. So let's get these bushes. Take all the bushes. Now I'm gonna first make. I don't know. I first need to get a higher reading. It's too low. I can't see anything. Oh, I have an apple. I'm gonna get to you, apple in time. There. My apple in time, just as I said. Just as I said I would. So I'm gonna first make a shovel. Just make a shovel. So it's like that. And then that. Okay, so now I got my shovel to hack away some dirt. If I had a diamond one right now, I'd be winning this. So this part of like building the house has hacking away the dirt, which is the foundation of the house. Does that work? Close enough? Okay, good. So it's doing pretty well. As I said, I'll probably make this a short one, so I'm going to finish hacking up some of this dirt, and I might end out the episode. The next video will be starting to build the house. And so, looks pretty nice. Finish hacking away this dirt. Oh no, my shovel broke. Wow. Okay, so that looks like it'll be the end of the episode of Skybird 29 back in town. See you guys later. Bye.